Today, let's make this little rabbit together. We need 1 meter long rabbit ears. Leave a palm length. Twist 2 fingers in 2 circles to fix it. Then we use the long tail to pass through the middle hole. Leave the length of the ear. The rabbit's ears can be a little longer. And then the same way. Use the long tail to pass through the middle hole. Make another ear. Then we use the long tail to pass through the middle hole. Hold the first one and pass through the second one. The tail is not long enough. Let's add another one. We're on the back of the rabbit. He's got a tail on his back. Find a tail at the bottom. Tangle and fix. And then we go from the back to the front. Repeat the previous action. Hold the first one and pass through the second one. And then repeat the same action again. We need to go around 3 times in total. So we're done with the head of the rabbit. And then we're going to make the body of the rabbit. Fold out one of his feet first. If the ears are blocked, we can fold the ears up first. And then we repeat the same action. Make his 4 legs. The rest of the twist. We're going to go around his body. And then we put his ears and limbs down. The rabbit's shape is done. And then we're going to pull out the rabbit's mouth and his forehead. The rabbit's mouth is separated from the left and right. And then we put his eyes on. Tidy up the rabbit's hair. And then we're going to use the pincers to pick out all the hair. Put the rabbit's nose on. I put the rabbit in his clothes. And then we're going to continue to trim. In the place of his mouth, we cut out a more obvious triangle. Make the bottom of the mouth more obvious. And then we put the eyes in. We cut out a more obvious triangle. We take out the color powder. Use some yellow and gray. Give the rabbit's nose and eyes a little bit of color. We put on the rabbit's clothes. Take the bag. Finally, you can color the rabbit's ears according to the color of the clothes. Here, I put a layer of yellow on the rabbit's ears. Next, I'm going to use deep khaki to paint the rabbit's ears. I'm going to put some on the rabbit's hands. And then I'm going to take the gray and put it on. Put on a hat. If you need to change it to a hanger, we use a hook to hang a bow on the rabbit's head. So we have a hanging rabbit.